Want to create stunning visual content that grabs attention? Let's dive into how to layer videos and images in Canva for professional results. First, head over to Canva and create a design. You can choose a pre-made template or start with a custom size. Let's pick a video dimension for this example. Now, let's find our background video. Go to the Elements tab on the left and search for the video you want to use as your base. Drag and drop it onto your canvas. Adjust the video size to perfectly fill your design area. Trim your video if necessary by adjusting the start and end points using the play bar at the bottom. Next, let's add an image to overlay on top of your video. In the Elements tab, search for the image you want to use, or upload your own from the Uploads tab. Drag and drop the image onto the canvas. You can resize it, reposition it, and even rotate it to achieve the desired look. To blend the image with the video, adjust the transparency. Select the image, and click the transparency icon, usually a checkered square. Then, adjust the slider until you achieve your desired level of transparency. This creates a subtle and blended effect. You can even overlay another video. Simply upload your second video and resize it to fit your design. Experiment with different placements and sizes for unique effects. For a final touch, add animation. Select your image or top video, click the Animate button, and choose an animation style. Now you have a dynamic and visually appealing layered design. And that's it. You've successfully layered videos and images in Canva. Experiment with different combinations and effects to create captivating content that stands out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.